Hi guys, it is Hardware Set Info, and today I will show you how to set mobile data limit in Vivo V23. The first step, we are going to the setting, and on the top click Network and Internet. Now we go to the SIM card and mobile network and switch on mobile data. There we choose our SIM card, and after that we go to the data usage. On the right side we have a setting, and there we have first option, mobile data usage size. We choose our first day of mobile data. It can be that. There we switch on set data limit, press OK. And there we agree our data usage limit, how many we have in our offer, and it can be in gigabyte or megabyte. 5 it's okay. And now we go to the set date warming, turn on. In this part we have to give information about after how many used gigabyte of data we get a warming. Maybe it 2 is okay. Okay, that's all. Now we have set mobile data limit in our Vivo V23. Thanks for watching. Bye.